This video is about what might go wrong at a disability hearing if you don't accurately describe your work history. The SSA must determine if you can perform your past work in spite of your health problems. If the answer is yes, you can do your past work, you're going to lose your case.
Okay, so at this point we need to talk about your past work, and later on I will have a vocational witness characterize your past work from a skill and exertional standpoint. But for now, I want to hear from you about your work.
What they want to know here is what's in the file about your work history. Even you might be shocked.
Let's see, there are several vocational exhibits in the case file. We have the application, and at 4E, page 5, you listed your work. And another form for the hearing level, 4633 at 22E, where you listed your work. And also we have the D series, the detailed earnings query, which lists employers and amounts, and of course your certified earnings record. We also do a query for any recent work or new hiring.
What was all that?
This is all your work history information, your reported earnings information, and we go back 15 years.
Make sure that you talk to your attorney before going to court so all these details don't throw you off.
So you listed you're a manager at Thornton's for 16 years. That's a convenience store, gas station. You said the 3369 work history, which is Form Exhibit 6E, that you managed some staff, dealt with customers, and you were on your feet about 10 hours a day, but were able to sit some, no real lifting over 10 pounds. On the work history, that is the Form 4633, Exhibit 22E, you listed that the job lasted approximately a year, but no real details. So anything you want to tell me about the details of that job? No? Well, okay. If the attorney is satisfied, we can move on.
This can go so wrong so quick. Did you tell your attorney about all the job duties? Maybe you really were a manager and you directed the work of others, and maybe because of this, the job was not physically demanding. Maybe. People often use job titles that don't really reflect the job. As it stands, this looks like a job that's light in exertion by the Social Security regs, and it had an option to sit, and it was skilled. If that description is not 100% on point, this error can be fatal later on.
So the takeaway here is to meet with your lawyer before going to court and get your job description right.